Let's do this magazine cover. So we're going to use photojet.com. We're going to click create the design. And you see we have choices. Today is magazine cover. And here is our selection of different magazine covers. Find a magazine cover that will go with a picture of you, something, maybe you're holding an animal, dog, cat, or rabbit, snake, squirrel, whatever it might be. That would work good. If you're holding a child, or if you think you're an angel, that would be a good magazine. Something of adventure, swimming. So I am going to choose just this one because I have a simple picture. Let's get rid of this picture. We don't want that. So click on it, and then you can delete right here is fine. Next, let's go into the library and add photo. Find a photo of you that you want to use. And then click on the photo, and there it is. Now you can resize it. You can crop it. Let's just go ahead and stretch it out. All right, so that's that. Maybe we want to move this up. Now you see everything disappeared, right? So go back over here to layer and push bottom, and now everything is back in place so you can see it. And adding some text. Here you have choices. These are the free ones. If it has a crown, those are for paid members. So just pick something simple. Just click on it and drag it down. Double click and add the text that you want. So all right, so that's the example. Shrink it down a little bit, move it. Here you can move these. Just remember the background. You can delete it if you don't like it. You make a mistake, when you accidentally delete something, go here and undo. Now it's back. All these things are editable. You can edit. Issue number 106. Let's just put February 2022. Travel mag. So that would be, you can make this located somewhere else. Maybe on the bottom. Spin it around. Adding other photos. If you want a photo to add, let's look for landscape. It looks nice. Click on it, drag it down, go over here, put it to the back, stretch it out. And there it is. Just move this a little bit more to the side. And you can add more text.